Let me talk about the errors involved in the sampling and the non-sampling methods. As far as the sampling errors are concerned, the biggest error is that the actual value might never be known, because the difference between the value that we have derived, that is the sample value, might not be the same to that of the actual value, because maybe the number of people that we have taken are not sufficient to give an estimate of the value. But of course, this defect can be taken away by increasing the magnitude of the survey, that is increasing more number of people in the survey list. Then we come to the non-sampling survey errors. In this, the first is the error of data acquisition. When we go and collect the data, there are few mistakes which can happen. For example, the recording that we have done could be incorrect. That is, the response that we have taken from the people could be incorrect because they have not given us the right information, or we have not been able to put it up directly in a correct manner. It also could be that there an error creeps in because of the transcripting. For example, if I want to say a person is of 36 years of age, but the transcripting error can be that I say he is of 63 years of age, which will make a lot of difference. So, this data acquisition errors are either because the record is incorrect because of the response provided, or because of the transcripting errors. Then there are non-response errors also. For example, a person does not want to give information. That is the time that whatever information we have derived is of no value, is of no use, is incorrect, because we have not got the response from the person. He is not willing to answer the questions. Next is the sampling can be biased. A person who has gone to collect the survey, he can do it at his own convenience, he can do it at his own will. That is to say, he might collect the samples from the areas where he feels are people who are friendly. It could be that he collects samples from the area which is closer to his house. It could be that he collects samples from the areas where transport facility is excellent. So, all this can give up errors, and thus the non-sampling method can be full of errors. So, we have to keep in mind that all these are not included while we are collecting our survey.